Hello and welcome back to our channel. So we are here with a new video where we are going to how to change your Chase account password after you forget it. So let's get started. First of all, we need to go on our Google search engine and search for Chase login or Chase sign up option. After you search for Chase sign up option, you can get these links and you need to click on the Chase Bank's link, which will then redirect you to its page. So you need to scroll a bit down and you can see the sign in option right above. Now you need to simply type in your Gmail account or your username. So after you type in your username and you are not sure what your password is, all you need to do is click on the forget username password option, which will then redirect you to the next page. So here you need to enter your social security number and your account card number or your application number. So after you are all done and you don't have a social security number, then you can click on don't have a social security number, which will allow you to type in your birth date, which will make things much more easier. So after you have typed both your information, you just need to click next and you're all done. I hope this video was really helpful to you guys, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. See you in your next video.